Breaking news from Mark Gaiman. The iPhone 16 launch is expected on September 10th. No delays this time. Pre-orders should start about a week after the launch, and the devices are likely to hit stores around September 21st. However, the iPhone 16 won't come with Apple Intelligence right out of the box. That feature is reserved for iOS 18.1, which will roll out to both iPhone 15 and 16 users as an update in October. Recent images and videos show a stunning iPhone 16 mock-up in a blue shade with a matte finish. The dual cameras resemble the iPhone 10 but are larger, and the flash is now positioned outside the camera module. Unfortunately, the iPhone 16 still comes with a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is a bit disappointing for an $800 device. I'm not saying you should skip the iPhone 16 or the 16 Plus, but missing out on the smoother 120 Hz experience is a letdown. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is packed with top-tier features, including a 120 Hz ProMotion display. It has triple cameras with a periscope lens and might come in two new colors, Desert Titanium and Gray Titanium. The camera module looks small on the 6.9-inch device, but it's the same size as the 15 Pro Max. The side of the device features volume keys and an action button that can now be customized to trigger different functions, like turning on the flashlight or using the translate feature. The mute switch is gone, replaced by the action button, which can be set up in the settings. Below the power button, there's a new touch-sensitive capture button. It's designed to take instant photos and videos, and it even supports gestures like swiping to switch between photo and video modes. The iOS 18.5 beta is now live, featuring cool new features like the Avengers SOS Snap animation, which can hide elements from any website while using Safari. So, Apple Intelligence plus the iPhone 16 is shaping up to be something truly magical. That's all for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.